today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a comment on a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation slide. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the presentation, select the Insert tab, and then on the right side, or I guess more so in the center here, there should be a comment button. Go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and insert a comment. And then you will select the little red button to go ahead and pin that comment, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.